The US immigration reform bill, which sent the IT industry into a tizzy and became a bone of contention between India and the US, is unlikely to come to fruition this year. Recent comments from the US House Speaker and the company executives suggest that any talk on the immigration will happen only next year. Is this a reprieve or an overhang for India's attack pack? Let's get in Chandra Shrikant, who joins in live from Bangalore with those details. Chandra.
That's right. Increasingly, the sense that's coming out is that any movement on immigration reform will not take off in 2013. It's going to get pushed into 2014. This is based on recent remarks coming from US House Speaker, who said that the House will not hold any formal talks or discussions on the Senate bill. Importantly, company executives, Cognizant CFO, as well as Infosys CFO in recent investor meets have mentioned that there has been no movement on the immigration reform bill. In fact, the Cognizant CFO went on record to say that any movement is unlikely in 2013. It's a bit of a moot point at this stage to say if this is a reprieve or an overhang. While a quarter of the industry believes that this is a reprieve because the Senate bill will not be taken up anytime soon, analysts believe it's an overhang because the movement on immigration reform is only getting delayed and creating more uncertainty in the bargain. So we'll really have to wait for more clarity on the immigration reform bill only next year, but certainly it's as good as dead for 2013.